Follow-up attempt missed by Owens. Here comes Durham for the B1 Ballers, clad in white. Hedgeman driving all the way and lays it in. Shot miss. Rebound B1 Ballers. Hedgeman all the way. Two-hand slam. Wow, flying down the lane for two.
Two hands for safety.
How about this dunk by Hedgeman?
Hedgeman coming down the lane. Oh, I'm nothing soft around here.
He's currently the Director of Player Development at Texas Tech for his dad in the men's basketball department at Texas Tech University. Shot for three goes down. Rebound by Durham for the B1 Ballers. Durham all the way.
Oh.
Attacks, blocked. They play on. The other end.
Oh, this is what we love right here. Meet me at the rim. Good block, Tyreek Owens. That's what he's known for. Always been a rim protector, even on that elite, on that championship team.
Here come the Air Raiders. A long two by Jones. Nobody guarding him, King. And he's making the B1 Ballers pay. Lack of familiarity with each other.
They're motivated right now. A lot of times that motivation will help you get over that edge and help you shake off that restlessness because you want to win that bad.
So nice little run here by the Air Raiders. Cooks gets free inside, missing. Rebound by Dove, and he scores. Quentin Dove with his second basket, his 6th point of the game. Cooks, that's a long two, rims it out. Rebound Owens for the Air Raiders, and the outlet pass to Warren. Nearly had his pocket picked, got it back. Dipsy-do inside, score it, and one for Warren. He has 13 in the first half.
It's right here, a little sloppy, but he got it done right here. Figured it out.
2-on-3 break. Warren does not have numbers. Stevenson from the wing, a three. No, tipped up and in by Zach Smith. 11 at the break. Warren, that's a deep three. Puts it in for Davion Warren. That's his first three of the game, his first points of the quarter. Here come the B1 Ballers. They're making a small rather. Here's Dove driving inside and lays it in. Smith inside, had it blocked. Loose, picked up by Forrest. Up the floor it goes to Cooks, and he lays it in. 3 minutes to go in the quarter. Jones, a deep three. Book it for Chandre Jones. Now a game high. Too hard from three. Rebound by Stewart. 30 seconds to go here in the third quarter. Cooks inside. Shot blocked from behind. Taken by the Air Raiders.
Look, one thing I know from experience, Tyreek Owens is coming to block everything. And then he'll look at you after.
Small, the corner, Dove, three, yes. We're inside of 4 minutes. Next dead ball will have the start of the Elam ending. Set up the target score, and they reach in and foul Cooks. Gray for two, leaves it short. Rebound by Cooks for the B1 Ballers. Here they come. Cooks, the trailer Dove for the lay-in, and it's down to two.
Jones completely out of the ball game. I might even deny and force everybody else to beat us.
Baseline shot goes in. 32 points for Chandre Jones. Back to a 4-point lead. Durham, tough shot, gets the roll, and it goes in.
But Chandre Jones just can't beat you because Chandre Jones has 32 points.
Warren got position inside and banks it in. That's a three by Durham, and it's good! 17 points for Durham. He has 3 threes, a 1-point game. 3 threes, the first one is good. Second shot for Durham, up in the air. Good again. He makes both. Air Raiders are 4 points away. Warren all the way down the lane for the jam. Wow! High flying jam by Warren, give him 30 points.
You cannot give up the three.
B1 Ballers can win it here with a three. Hedgeman goes inside and gets the roll that goes in. He has 10 points to win it right here on this trip. First one up for Warren is good. He made it. That's your ball game, and that's your slingshot winner.